How to fix creator account can't be private on Instagram. Let's get started. First, launch your Instagram. Now navigate to the profile page. Once over here, click on three bars given at the top right corner. Now head over to the option Account Privacy. Now enable for the option of private account. When you try to enable this, you are getting the pop-up Creator account cannot be private on Instagram. So how can you fix that? For that, head back, navigate to the option Business Tools and Controls or Creator Tools and Controls. Now click on the option Switch Account Type and set it to Switch to Personal Account. Click on Switch to Personal Account. Once you do that, you can hit back, then navigate to the option Account Privacy. Now enable for this option Private Account. Click on Switch to Private, and with that, you'll be able to switch your account to the private. So this is how you can easily fix creator account cannot be private on Instagram. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.